guys, my name is Radhika and I'm a jewelry artist, and welcome to my small business channel. I'm so excited to share a collection that is truly unique and so close to my heart. And I'm launching this collection specially just for Valentine's Day. So if you're looking for something that's not just beautiful, but also versatile, then you're in for a treat. And to all the boyfriends out there, if you're still looking for your perfect Valentine's Day gift, then watch this video till the end because we have some amazing surprises for you. So let's dive right in and discuss what makes these necklaces truly special. So as you can see that these necklaces look like flowers right now. They are so pretty, gold studded flowers. But what you don't know is that they're actually enclosed with a magnetic connection. So when this flower opens up, it looks something like this. I can't wait to show you all of these designs individually now. So first up is our really gorgeous rose gold with diamond studded hearts. I hope you can see it now, all the details. But the magic truly begins is when you can open it up and then it makes your string of hearts. And come a little more closer. And it's so simple when you want to change your look again, because all you have to do is take your string of hearts and just close it. And that's it. That is your second look. So next up we have this classic silver. It's so beautiful and you can see like it's studded in diamonds again. And all you have to do is open it up, turn it, and you have your perfect line of hearts. This 2-in-1 combo is so cool. The next one I want to show you is this absolute classy white necklace. I'm going to get it super close to the camera so you can see how elegant it looks. And the best part about these pieces is that you're not investing in just one piece. You're investing in two looks. Because I feel like everybody wants a cheap price. Everybody wants a bang for their buck. So if you ask me, I think that these pieces are a great investment. If you look at it that way, you're paying only for one piece, but you're getting two looks. So I was anxiously waiting to show you these particular designs that I have. So you can see like one is made in a necklace style and one is made in a Mangalsutra style. So people who are unmarried can always buy necklaces. People who are married and they like to gift their wives Mangalsutras, you can always pick and choose to convert any of these pendants into Mangalsutras. So we have it in two styles here and you can see that it's our very iconic rose gold that I'm wearing as well. This is the rose gold that I'm wearing. Sorry, I think I kicked the camera right now. But anyway, these ones are our iconic, timeless rose gold pendants. And same thing, like you can just simply close it and there you have Mangalsutra necklace. And the same thing for the other one. It's as simple as just pulling it apart and you have your super iconic string of hearts. I think like the women are going to be so surprised with this. Your partner, the love of your life, is not going to expect this necklace to have two looks. They're not going to expect the flower to open at all. So there is such an element of surprise in this collection. Okay. This one is my absolute favorite. It's our black flower necklace, but. What you don't know is that it's actually a double reversible pendant. How cool is that? That's why I love this so much, because this has both the colors in it. It's got black and it's got red. And you can open it up and there you have your string of hearts again on both sides. So yeah, if your girl is feeling cocktail, bougie, daytime, whatever it might be, she can use either side of this pendant. She doesn't need anything else in her jewelry wardrobe. She can just have this piece and it's super classic. Also, I want to tell you guys that these are waterproof, which adds so much value to these investment pieces, because I feel like in fashion jewelry, normally a lot of people give pieces that fade away within like a week of using it. You can't shower with it, you can't swim with it, you can't go to the gym with it. But with these pieces, you don't need to worry about any of that. You can easily have a shower with it. If you forget to take it off while you're at the pool, it doesn't matter. These pieces are one of the best investments, I think, for you. And yeah, I mean, like, you can wear these pieces anywhere you go. It's like got a hot red and it's got a black, and black goes with everything, guys. Come on. And if you thought that was all, wait, I have one more surprise for you. Look at these necklaces. The best part about these necklaces is that it rotates. Wait, one more close up. I'm sure your girl doesn't have anything like this. It's like, I can't stop doing it. It's like fidget friendly. These pieces are fidget friendly. The mechanics of this is like truly crazy. It's not gonna unhook. They're such interactive pieces. I love it. Now let's talk about why this collection is perfect for Valentine's Day, just in case I haven't mentioned it enough. The love of your life is totally not going to expect any of these pieces to have two looks, to completely change within seconds. Also, I feel like we've not left out any color. You can go with our iconic rose gold. You can go with our silvers, which I feel like is so serene in nature. You can go for our classic whites. You can go for our very sophisticated black, but also the bougie red. And I also wanted to mention that any of these pieces can be converted into Mangalsutras. So if you go onto the website, by the way, the link I'm going to put in the description box below. So any of these pendants you can buy as Mangalsutras as well. We have kept it very simple on the website. We have kept two options, necklace or Mangalsutra, and you can go and purchase whatever you like. So I also want to mention that it takes us 5 to 7 days to deliver all over India. The shipping is absolutely free. You want to order these pieces just in time for Valentine's Day. So you should get shopping, go to the description box, the link is right there. Just add these beautiful pieces to your cart and wait for this little box of surprise that reaches you. You can go to digitaldressroom.com and check out all our other products as well. We do all festival-based products. We have products that you can just wear on a day-to-day basis as well. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Please drop a like and share this video with your girlfriend or your boyfriend. The person who shares this video the most with their friends has a chance to win a free product from our website. So you can get sharing and you can send me your entries that you've shared it. You can send me screenshots. You can tag your friends below as well. So I will be linking my Instagram profile in the description box below and also somewhere on this video. So you can go ahead and follow us there as well. And you can send us all your screenshots in the DM and we will pick the winner real soon. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.